Hi guys, welcome to this video session. In this video, we are going to see about the working principle of seam welding and projection welding process. Seam welding. Seam welding is a welding technique in which two similar or dissimilar metals can be joined by supplying electric current. This video shows or explains the working of resistant seam welding. The metal pieces are kept together. This is the resistant resistant seam welding apparatus. These are all two wheel electrode and workpiece kept between two electrodes. Seam welding are used to produce continuous joint between two workpieces. The working pieces are placed between two rotating wheels electrode. When electric current is passed through the electrodes, high heat is produced on the workpiece between the wheels. Applications of resistant seam welding. It is widely used in bravery tanks, container fabrications, heat exchanger fabrication industries, motor case fabrication industries, nuclear component fabrication process industries, and pressure vessels fabrication industries. The advantage of seam welding are this welding is popularly known for its forming the clear weld. During this process, no gas formed and no any other fumes are emitted. No need of any additional filler material during the welding method. Seam welding can be automated, so there is no need of any additional labors for doing this process. This welding process produces both parallel seam weld as well as single seam weld at the same time. The disadvantages: it is not applicable if you have metal pieces above the specific thickness. It is not possible to weld some complex places. It requires skilled operator to do these operations. The machinery that is used in this welding has very high prices and it is not easy for afford. Applications: it is widely used in the manufacturing of all types of barrels, aircraft tanks, refrigerators, oil transformers, etc. It is also used to weld stainless steel, nickel alloys, and magnesium alloys. Advantages: this welding is known for forming the clear weld. No gas formation takes place and no fumes are emitted during the process. There is no requirement for the filler material during the welding method. Seam welding can be automated, so there is no need of additional labors for doing the process. By doing this welding, we can produce both parallel seam weld as well as single seam weld at the same time. Disadvantages: it is not applicable if you have metal piece above the specific thickness. If you want to make a weld at some complex place, then this process is not suitable. There is a high skilled operator required for doing this operation. The machinery that is used in this welding has very high price. Application: this welding process is widely used in the manufacturing industries of barrel fabrication, and pressure vessel fabrications. It is also used in the fabrication of aircraft tanks, refrigerator, oil transformer, etc. This welding is used to weld stainless steel, nickel alloys, and magnesium alloys. In projection welding, small projections are formed on the metal bases. Under pressure and heat, these projections collapses and thus weld is formed. This is the projection welding apparatus setup. It is one type of resistant welding. It joins the metal piece by heat obtained by resistance to electric current flow through work parts held together under pressure by electrode. Electrodes are cooled as in spot welding. Since a number of welds are made at each operation, both the electrical power and mechanical pressure must be correspondingly greater as compared to spot welding. The projection in the upper pieces is held in contact with the lower pieces under electrode pressure. The current flows and being localized to the region around the projection heats the metal in that area to the plastic state. The heated and softened projection collapses under pressure of the electrode, thereby forming the weld. Flat electrodes are used against the tip electrodes in spot welding. Applications of projection welding: crosswire weld, refrigerator condenser, small fasteners and nut fabrication, welding larger components, etc. Advantages: it requires less electricity and the electrode life is much longer. Almost metals of all thickness are welded by this welding process. It can be used effectively for welding of joints which are on the complicated locations. This welding gives a good heat balance while welding. Disadvantages: this process is not applicable for some types of coppers and braces. Projection formation is quite complicated process and it takes time to form the projections. This process is not applicable to all types of workpieces. Application: it's widely used in the automobile industries. This welding process is also used for fan covers and hollow metal dome fabrications. It is used for producing the compressor parts. In this diamond segment welding, projection welding finds its application widely. Thank you.